Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying basics quickly. Ensure the portable device is powered, the cable and port are good, and the device is unlocked. Next, open Device Manager via Win+X and pick Device Manager so you're looking at the system-level view. Once done, use View right arrow show hidden devices to surface missing entries. This reveals devices that Windows removed or hid. Doing this early saves time, because many fixes require seeing the ghosted device before reinstalling drivers or changing settings. Now you'll address drivers and services that control device visibility. If you see unknown or grayed out entries, uninstall them, then choose Action right arrow scan for hardware changes to force detection. Make sure Plug and Play and Windows Update services are set to automatic. These services manage enumeration and driver delivery, so restarting them often restores recognition. Then update drivers. Right-click the device, Update Driver, and try Automatic Search first. If that fails, use the manufacturer's driver files and browse to install. Finish by eliminating hardware and power causes. Swap cables, switch ports, or use a powered USB hub because insufficient power often prevents enumeration. If problems persist, reset USB controllers by uninstalling each entry under Universal Serial Bus Controllers and then rebooting so Windows redetects them. Make sure to test the portable device on a second PC to determine if the fault is host or device side. Troubleshooting tip. If it still won't appear, collect Device Manager screenshots and set up logs to provide clear evidence when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.